It's so messy. I don't know how to do swatching, but I like it. I enjoying it. I like the shimmer. Look at the shimmer right there. Some are chunky, but it's not bad. It depends how you use it and have a control. Hi guys, it's about time to swatch this palette from Huda Beauty Icy Nude. So here's the color story. So let's try to swatch it. Start from here and here. So those are 4 colors. Okay. Wow, it looks nice. I like that one. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's so close. Oh, this is kind of, ooh, so chunky. Oh, this is soft. I like it. There you go. Another. Oh, where's the next one? Oh, next to each other. Oh, that's like chunky, guys. You don't catch up. I have to press it harder, but I didn't press it harder. So far, oh my goodness. Let's do this more. Okay, those are it. And here, I'm gonna start from here. Oh, this is too much. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness, how many in there? It's too much. I don't know if I continue it. Okay, let's do it another time, guys. I don't have time now. Okay, let's continue. I got 6 more to go. And this is... Okay. And I got 2 more. Let's do it here. Okay, so that's all, guys. Sorry.